So there was a day I was sitting down on my own. I've been trying to do client work. As I sit down to do the client work, I just realized I text somebody tried calling me. As the person tried calling me now, I no pick. The person can't send me message say, bro, call me back nah, it dey urgent. Because of that, it dey urgent. I can't rush, call the person. The person say, now maybe Geetee abeg, can't call my full name. I say yes. The person say make I check my WhatsApp, saying send me message. I can't say okay. I go check WhatsApp. The message was like, you are so and so. I have been paid to assassinate you. I have been paid to assassinate you, and based on say I know you, I no wan run am. So wetin go happen be say I don't know who you don offend, but if you find out something, if you find me something, I go tell my boys dem make dem relax. Like the message was just so serious that I could not send the message to someone. I could not even talk to someone then. So the guy asked me, I say, see, my full life as I do na 15,000 naira I get o. Baba say send and come, send and come. I can't send the 15,000 for the guy. I no hear anything from the guy again. After about 7-8 months, that same method, somebody else now use that same method on me. I think it's the same guy because the WhatsApp name was the same. Sent that same message to me again, the same pattern. Then I was in a group with so many other persons. I can't go to the group. I can't say, he get somebody and send me message. Say, he send me message, say, then send them to assassinate me. I don't know anything they go on. As I said that thing, if we were 8 in the group, 7 persons in that group sent a screenshot of what the person sent to them. It's exactly the same thing. Now, before I send that message to that group the second time, as in the second time, like I don't consider the message format now the same thing, everything the same. I can't ask the guy, say, if he fit tell me who send them, I'll give him 10 million naira. Money I no get to. I say I'll give him 10 million naira. But I say I dey doubt him. I say, bro, nobody send you anything. If anybody send you, say them pay you to come kill me. You know, because they ask me for 5K, 10K, because probably the person must have paid you more. You would ask me for something bigger. Who they send go kill somebody and go tell the person say na 5K and all of that. The guy say, I dey try am, say they go visit me this night. I say, Baba, visit me. Before I now took it to the group and everybody was now saying, they received that message, say the guy did that, the guy talk this, the guy talk that. Now, I'm saying this because 1 or 2 persons outside my state must have also received this message. If you found anything like that, please drop your experience on how you handled it in the comment section. And if you have not experienced it before, be aware of messages like this and the method they are using. The name is a name that is from the north. It's not a name that when you check it on Truecaller also, it's not a name around here. It's not a name that you can easily just find around the south. It's like an Hausa name, that kind of thing. So please share your experience. Also share this video so more persons can see it and also learn from it. Sorry. I'll see you in my next video.